Transformation, Session 9. Exercise 4, page 28. C is a circle of center O and radius 2. C prime is a circle of center O prime and radius 4. M is a variable point on C. M prime is a variable point on C prime, such that OM, O prime, M prime is equal to pi over 3. Calculate the ratio and the angle of a similitude G transforming O to O prime and M to M prime. Of course, the ratio, to get the ratio, we have to write O prime M prime is equal to KOM, and the angle alpha, suppose it's alpha, it's equal to OM, O prime M prime. Since O prime M prime is equal to twice OM, then we say K is 2, or O prime M prime is 4, OM is 2, so 4 divided by 2 is 2. And the angle is given here, it's pi by 3, then we say G is a similitude of ratio 2 and angle pi over 3. Part 2. The complex plane is referred to a direct orthonormal system with origin A is the origin, and ZO equal minus 2. If ZO equal minus 2, then ZO prime will be 4, because this distance is 4, is twice this distance. Find the affix of the center L of G and calculate AL, then plot L. So we have to start with the complex definition of G, which is Z prime equal KEI alpha Z plus B. K is 2, alpha is pi by 3, so we get this result. G transforms O to O prime. This means that ZO prime equal 1 plus I radical 3 ZO plus B. ZO is minus 2, ZO prime is 4, we get B, 6 plus 2I radical 3. The complex form of G becomes Z prime equal 1 plus I radical 3 Z plus 6 plus 2I radical 3. Since K of G is different than 1, it is 2, then G is not a translation, it has a center L. L is a double point by G, so its image is L itself. Then we say ZL equal 1 plus I radical 3 ZL plus 6 plus 2I radical 3, which gives ZL equal minus 2 plus 2I radical 3. AL is modulus ZL minus ZA, but in the given system, A is the origin, so ZA is 0, thus AL becomes modulus ZL, which is radical minus 2 square plus 2 radical 3 square gives 4. Since AL is 4, we say L is a point on a circle of center A and radius 4. And since x of L equal minus 2 is equal to x of O, then L is on a straight line perpendicular to O prime at O, because O and L have the same abscissa, which is minus 2. And the ordinate of point L is 2 radical 3, which is positive, so we place L above, because this straight line cuts the circle of center A and radius 4 at 2 points. The point above the x-axis is L, because y of L is greater than 0. 3. H is the midpoint of M prime. Find the geometric locus of H. Since H is the midpoint of M prime, we say ZH equal half Zm plus Zm prime. Zm, which is Z, and Zm prime is Z prime. We replace Z prime by this equality, and simply we get this form. The Z here is the affix of point M, ZH is the affix of point H, so we say H is the image of M by a similitude F that is defined by this complex form. Math homework, exercise 5, page 29. Thank you.